10 healthy cooking tips. Number 1. Cook at home. Number 2. Cook with basic ingredients. Number 3. Avoid cooking at high temperatures. Number 4. Avoid deep frying. Number 5. Use low-fat cooking methods like boiling or steaming. Number 6. Measure your ingredients accurately. Number 7. Minimize added sugars and sweeteners. Number 8. Minimize animal fats. Number 8. Minimize animal fats. Number 9. Minimize processed foods. Number 10. Add vegetables and fruits. Number 10. Add vegetables and fruits.